Mention any election that have been conducted under Tinubu that is free and fair. Let us start from there. You saw how money was playing a major role. Electoral laws were violated right, left, and center. Is that the profile of a man who respects democracy and who fought for democracy? The answer is capital no. What he said about other parties is very, very obvious. Because I've been saying it, the relationship Tinubu have with Wike is that of corruption. It's a corrupt relationship. Can't you see what happened? Immediately, Atiku left PDP for them. That was 2 or 3 days ago. That was the same day Tinubu now told Wike, you can now enter APC. We are waiting for you. But all the while he was there causing problem. The president pretended as if he did not see it. He kept quiet. But when he realized that all the big wigs have left PDP, like when Wike called for a meeting, he even said it that the people that came for that meeting are featherweight, that all the big people in PDP did not come. Is that not what they were looking for? So when it happened now, he now said, okay, Wike, you can now join APC. So what were you doing with him all this while? What were you doing with him all this while? Let me tell you one that will clearly indict Tinubu. The Supreme Court ruled that the chairmanship of Labour Party, that is Abure, the chairman of Labour Party, Abure, is no longer the person that's supposed to be there. Clearly, no ambiguity over that ruling. Up to today, INEC is still dilly-dally whether to agree or not on who is the real chairman of Labour Party. We thought that the Supreme Court have ruled upon concerning that matter. Yet, they are finding it difficult. And then, what is the problem here? They don't want that party to settle down. Now, listen very well. If that matter was ruled by the Supreme Court in favor of APC, please, will Tinubu allow INEC to delay it up to this moment? What is wrong if Tinubu should tell INEC, why not obey court order? Because they are part of the executive now. Call INEC chairman, what are you delaying this matter for? Why are you wasting time on this matter? Why can't you accept what the court have said? No. They want them to be at loggerhead until at the 11th hour. The INEC now will not say, okay, after all consultation, you need to consult the whole world by wasting all those time. After all due consultation, we have now come to realize that this man is the chairman of Labour Party. By that time, in fact, it will be too late for you to do anything.
Okay, but Barrister, some people also believe that the president's comment clearly absolves him from any form of responsibility because he clearly said, look, I will not be the one to tell you to put your house in order. You know, it's neither here nor there. So in the light of that, do you still think that the president should take responsibility for the problems in the opposition party?
In fact, for the problem of Nigeria is on his head now, not just opposition, because the buck stops on the table. Mr. Okoro, PDP groomed APC. PDP gave APC like all this thing that
isn't that what the president is trying to say? Yeah, gentlemen, put your house in order. Stop blaming me. Stop blaming the APC.
I just told you now that PDP gave them life by allowing them, giving them free hand to operate. It's on record. They committed so many infractions when they are being formed, but PDP allowed them to exist. It's on record. Jonathan was providing security for APC leaders when they came on board, when they were registered. It's on record. Is Tinubu and his group doing the same thing today? Was PDP not at peace before APC came into existence? How come under their word the same thing is
Now, Barrister, why is it difficult for the PDP to put their house in order? Why?
Look, Mr. Okoro, I wish you let me simplify it.
Okay.
Now, APC have realized that they can't make it, especially Tinubu.
Okay.
The second term ambition is in jeopardy already because of the non-performance in office. And so, what does he want to do? He tried every means to put other parties in disarray so that they cannot be able to stand and challenge him in 2020.
Why would those parties allow themselves to be put in disarray?
No, you see, Mr. Okoro, there are things that are beyond your control, especially if Tinubu is using state powers to do all manner of things. Like this thing I told you now about
the court judgment.
Okay. What do you expect the Labour Party to do? You mean P2B should carry gun and go and put on INEC chairman's neck and say, oh yeah, announce Abura as the chairman? No! Who is teleguarding the INEC? Who is manipulating INEC? You can see now. That's a clear example of what is going on. A clear example. Because I didn't see any need for that delay up till now. I didn't see any. INEC did not come and tell us that the court ruling is not clear to them. No, they didn't say so. They didn't say so. So they are delaying it so that Labour Party will not be at peace. They will not settle down and then do what they needed to do before the election.